Artnaturals alcohol-based hand sanitizer gel, 12-pack x 8 ETHYL ALCOHOL 220 ml, infused with aloe vera gel, jojoba oil and vitamin E, unscented fragrance-free sanitize. Contains 62.5% ethyl alcohol, a must-have for cold, to stop the spread of illness-causing germs. Safe for kids, great bulk hand sanitizer pack for parents and teachers. Pure natural ingredients are gentle enough for children's sensitive skin, while still killing germs. Great to use at home or in your classroom where cold germs lurk. Moisturizing and gentle on sensitive skin, pure natural ingredients deeply nourish skin. Free from the harshest synthetic chemicals used on other brands that irritate sensitive skin. Our nutrient-rich hand sanitizer formula includes aloe vera, vitamin E and jojoba oil to leave your skin germ-free and feeling silky smooth. Cold season protection, a year-round must-have that's even more important during cold. Protect you and your family from the latest bug going around. Vital hygiene tool for teachers, gym enthusiasts, communal work areas, salespeople and other jobs that put you in contact with the public. Scent-free with aloe vera, Artnaturals hand sanitizer 8 ETHYL. Bottles, scent-free, infused with aloe vera gel, jojoba oil and vitamin E. Convenient hand sanitizer dispenser bottles are also great for personal use. Keeping a bottle handy in your home, office, car and bag is a great preventative measure during cold season. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.